I want you to feel as good as I do at 54 years old. Can you imagine having more energy, no more brain fog, slow biological aging, activate your longevity genes, improve elasticity of your skin and firmness, and balance blood sugar levels, and yes, lose weight? Does this interest you? Here is what it's all about. So anyone who is tired of no energy, brain fog, excess weight, I have exactly what you have been looking for. You will learn about your metabolism online with convenient videos. You will learn about the foods to eat, what to eat, and when, and yes, lose the weight. You will learn about the exact amount of water to flush out the fat cells, and yes, MetaPower will actually shrink the fat cells. What will you get? You will get the schedule of what to eat and when to eat for metabolism boost to reset your body. If this is what you have been needing to feel your best, then it's time. Your body will heal from the inside out. Do you want to know what the next steps are? What do you need to do? You will need to get 3 key products, and these products are going to make it easy. And believe me, no more sugar cravings. I couldn't believe it. The MetaPower Advantage is actually something that's going to help to promote biological healthy aging, improve your cognitive function, that brain fog, and support lean muscle and connective tissues. The MetaPower Assist capsule is taken at the largest meal of the day, so it's going to help reduce your blood sugar spikes. And the MetaPower oil or soft gel, you're going to use that throughout the day, adding it to your water, and this is what is going to help reduce the sugar cravings. Again, I could not believe it when I combined the food plan with these 3 products. Now this challenge, the content is valued at over $500. However, you will get it for free if you commit to 30 days and get the 3 key products and just follow the eating schedule and the foods. Do you want to lose 10, 20, 30, 50 pounds? I can help you. I have personally done a lifestyle change myself. 8 years ago, I lost 18 pounds and I was just doing a cleanse from the inside out. I didn't need to lose weight. So I know exactly what you need to do to heal your body from the inside out. But one of the healing outcomes is weight loss, removing the inflammation by food choices. If you can determine why you want this and take action, you will never look back. And once you commit to, you will be put into a private Facebook group where you're going to get all the content, the foods, the schedule, the recipes, and support from me. You will also get some login credentials, so you're going to get the content that's going to give you videos daily and information to learn about what's happening inside of your body. I am so excited to help you, as I have helped so many people feel and look their best self with the tools at their fingertips. It's time to take charge, day 1 or one day. If this interests you, I have a few questions that I want to ask you to see if you're a candidate. Are you willing to change what you eat for the next 30 days? Are you willing to eat 6 times a day, 3 meals and 3 snacks? And are you willing to drink the recommended amount of water each day? And why do you want to do this? I will leave a link in the description below to get started with this life-changing journey. And remember, oh yes, it's not a diet.